got here, okay? So we are in Viana do Castelo. It's about 10 minutes from our house. We left Lisbon at about 11:30, and we made really good timing because normally it takes like 4 hours, and it took us like under 3. And if Sylvia throws my fucking lighter, I'm gonna stab her in the heart because
Tell us about that green lighter.
this magic lighter right here has been through fucking. This lighter has some stories, okay?
If that lighter could talk.
Yeah, if this lighter could talk. I've had it since March. Oh. Get that shit.
I wish I could zoom.
Your fucking laptop.
No, please get dirty.
Go get it. Go get it. Bitch.
Nigga, you white. What fell?
Camera almost did.